I watched the first season, loved it, and then to be asked to do season 2 was just like a dream come true, really.
Sex Ed was just a whole other level. The very first day, Gillian Anderson stole a cake off me, which was pretty cool because I was a big admirer of hers when I was younger, so that was quite special.
This is my first kind of essay job and my first extra job, which was kind of a great experience to be my first job.
I kind of expected to be right in the background, but I was really in the thick of it. I got to work really, really hard, and I managed to get involved with quite a lot, and it kind of helped me figure out where I want to go with my career.
I was the art department trainee. That role involves literally helping everyone out in the art department. I was Gillian Anderson, who plays Jean's handwriting double. I filled this notebook full of embarrassing problems that the students talked about with her during their sessions. Anything you see on the screen in her handwriting is my handwriting. Everything I learnt in university I've used so far in the real world.
The University of South Wales is really good at getting you partnerships and getting you actual work placements, so there are plenty of opportunities to get involved.
This university, I feel like, offers to you to be brave and be imaginative and just create your own work. That starting step to try things out. If it works, it works. If it doesn't, it doesn't. But then when you leave, you're literally in a good mindset, in a good place to know what is right, what is wrong, and what you've learnt and to carry on with.
Coming in as a mature student, I learned a huge amount about film, but I learned a lot about myself as well. It taught me a lot about what I was capable of doing, and that helped my general confidence really well. Yeah, it's changed my life, and I'm really, really happy about that.
As soon as I came down here for the open day, it was just buzzing, and it was so welcoming. It was literally like coming home, which is something that I've never forgotten.
Cardiff is a hub for media and television, and USW being central in Cardiff was really important to me.
You've got all the fantastic locations, as well as just having people who are willing to go above and beyond. I've worked with so many people from all over Wales, and they're all just really welcoming, they're really open.
For years and years, people used to believe I have to go to London to make it, but now all of a sudden everything is coming to Cardiff. We're seeing a lot more acting, we're seeing a lot more films produced, we're seeing a lot more directing.
It's a great place for people to be if they want to be doing anything relating to the media, because there is a lot of opportunity, and it does just seem to be growing and growing.